gonna give this one a shot. I walked back quite a ways. It's too far to walk, so there's a wide part I can drop the trailer. I'm gonna drop the trailer there and explore it by car. Okay, here I am right off the road. And there is Lake Superior. I hit pay dirt. Just a blind road I just pulled out onto. Holy cow. So I'm out here at this beautiful spot on Lake Superior, and these wonderful people have agreed to share the spot with me.
Hi.
Your name is?
Janina.
Yelena?
Janina.
Janina.
Yes.
Leonard.
Leonard, okay. And you are from?
Germany.
Hamburg.
Hamburg.
Yes.
You're hamburgers.
We're hamburgers.
Okay, good. And how long will you be in the U.S.?
For 3 months. Well, we have been 2 weeks, so it's just a total of 2.5 weeks now.
And where have you been?
Actually, just Michigan. We just started.
Michigan, okay.
Buy the van.
You bought the van,
Yes.
so rather than rent, you bought.
Yes.
At the end of 3 months, you'll sell it?
Yeah, that's our plan.
Excellent. What year is the van?
2000.
2000, so 18 years old. And it's a camper van?
Yes.
Let's just look at it. How is it set up? You know, if it's okay with you?
Yeah.
So you have a 4-seater.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
And then the back we
You built a bed?
Yes, we did.
Okay, so it came without that. It was just a regular van before.
It was just a regular conversion van. And
Okay.
like a mattress.
Storage below, water.
Yes, exactly.
Bathroom is out here?
I guess.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good, good. And where else do you plan to go?
The next step is Toronto, but we have to be in Toronto in or want to be in Toronto in 9 days.
Oh, you have a lot of time to go to Toronto,
Yeah.
huh? And you are just camping out. You're not going to campgrounds?
No, we're not.
Good, good. We call that boondocking here.
Oh, boondocking.
Boondocking, okay? How do you find your places?
Driving around, looking at Google Maps, and maybe ask people.
Yes. Good,
Like
good.
you?
Yeah, well,
We ask you?
you have internet access?
No, just Wi-Fi.
Okay. I looked at a couple of different places, and I went down every road here, and this is the only one that was open, so I did okay. So very good. So you go to Toronto, then you have another couple of months. What are you doing?
We first want to go to New York City.
New York City? Okay, maybe we can help there.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah, afterwards Washington DC, and then straight to Florida.
Key West.
Florida, okay.
Miami, Key West.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, Key West is fun.
All the way across to California.
Driving?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's gonna be
That's a long drive. I did 3,000 miles on this trip.
Oh.
I could have gone to California.
Well, yeah. You
I've been
could.
wasting a lot of time. Good, good, okay. Unbelievable. I'm not far from the highway, but who cares? Beautiful. Sunset on Lake Superior. Okay, we have yogurt and muesli. Muesli is like animal feed for humans. And green tea. So from the shores of Lake Superior, Leonard and Janina have come to New Jersey to enjoy New York City, right?
Yes.
So after we left in Canada, where did you go?
We went first up north to Wawa.
Wawa? So here's the giant goose of Wawa, Canada, in Ontario. However, standing proudly on a huge piece of stone, which actually is fiberglass.
And then east all the way to Timmins.
Timmins, okay. And where did you stay?
Well, the first night was horrible. It was on the side road of the highway because we couldn't find anything for free camping or boondock camping. But then afterwards we found a beautiful lake, camped out there.
Which is in Crown Land.
Yes.
Okay.
Good too.
Yes. Afterwards we happened to stumble upon a Polish guy who owned a marina for,
At a beautiful lake, Harris
on a
Lake.
beautiful lake, Harris Lake. And we ended up staying there for 5 days working for him, and he would let us stay for free and cook for us and everything.
Oh, very nice. So you had a good experience there?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes,
good.
we did.
Nice wilderness.
Yeah.
And now you're here in New Jersey, so this is like, you know, the exact opposite, right? Dense population. We have lots of noise, right? You commented you noticed noise when you came here after being up in quiet Canada, right?
Yeah.
Okay, going in New York across the George Washington Bridge, walking. A little noisier than Canada, huh?
It is. Just a little.
Yeah. So today, you're going to go to 42nd Street maybe, right?
Yeah.
Then walk up 5th Avenue, and then Central Park, then maybe opera movie at the Metropolitan Opera, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sounds like a plan. So now we're in New York, and we have to find the subway at the 179th Street bus terminal, which is undergoing renovation, so we have to find our way around. So yesterday in New York City,
Yes.
and how did that go?
That was good. That was fun.
Uh-huh.
We saw a lot of things like Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and World Trade Center.
Okay. So your cost for camping, since I saw you on Lake Superior, how much has it costed you to camp, right?
Nothing.
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 Zero. Zero.
Living
Just
off
camping.
of hospitality.
Yeah.
And like you invited us to your home, so we
okay.
stay with you,
We call this, you know, when you borrow something from somebody, you mooch. So this is Moochdocking. Moochdocking, okay?
Yeah,
So
good.
So I'm here with Leonard and Janina. We met on the shores of Lake Superior, and we were boondocking together on a beautiful place, and I invited them down here because I live close to New York City, and they joined, you know, they came down to visit, and they've been with me for a day or two. So you decided to go travel, right? You've done some traveling before, little to no camping, right? No camping?
Not that much.
Not that
Maybe
much.
Once or
A few
twice.
times.
Yeah, okay. And you decided to come here and tour America.
Yeah.
And
Canada.
and Canada. But back in Germany, you had a home, you had possessions, you lived together, and then you made a decision to get rid of all that.
Yes, we did.
We did.
We were seeing much more worth time in traveling than spending time at home on a nice sofa and watching TV or something. So we actually sold everything and quit our apartment and our jobs, and
That's it.
yeah, and just went with a backpack.
Was it difficult to sell everything, or?
No, but you gotta get used to it if you. It's at first it's a kind of a strange feeling, but after a while it was like a
Liberating.
Liberating.
Yeah, free actually.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about so much stuff because you only have a backpack to worry about.
So you got rid of your furniture, your apartment. You had an apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, rented. Like,
Rental, yeah. And you kept some clothing for when you come back,
Yeah.
though. Yeah. Okay.
We
Good.
stored it. And
All your dishes, all that stuff gone.
Yes.
Wow.
Everything
Okay.
gone.
Good. And your family, what did they think of this idea?
I think it depended. My mom, I had to convince her, but after a while she thought, she saw the good things about it, and she felt that we were both really we really wanted to do that. So she was kind of supportive.
Yeah, she was.
Okay, good. So you got rid of all that. Then you came here to America
And bought a van again. So
you
we
bought a
had
van.
Possession. Yeah.
Yeah. So that you found that would be cheaper than renting.
Yes. It's like $3,300.
$3,300, yeah, which is much cheaper than it would have been to
rent for
rent.
3 months. Yes.
And you took care of the insurance and the licensing and everything else, and so now you're here in America, and after you have other plans though, right, to continue traveling after you leave here, right?
So like we said, we bought the van in Michigan, and then went all the way up north to Canada. That's where we met.
Yeah, and tell me about your travels in Canada. You That's where we met. We met on the shores of Lake Superior in Ontario. And after that, I came back to New Jersey, and you continued on.
We continued. We continued to go first up north, and then went east from Wawa to Timmins, and stayed overnight in the small like parking lot or something next to the street. And then we met. Yeah, by accident we met a nice guy.
Polish guy who owned a marina in Harris Lake. And we started working for him a little bit, and he would let us stay for free at his campground and even like cook us dinner and everything. That worked out very good.
Do you have plans for after you're done traveling?
No.
That's the simplest answer we can give. No.
Yeah.
And that's the fun of it, I think.
Yeah. But you have a good job offer, Leonard, right? That you can go back to.
I can go back to,
Yeah, and you would starting your career, so you're.
Yes. Well, I have my master's degree, so I could, and I worked for a professor at the university, and I know I could go back there too. But we're traveling the world to find a new home, maybe. Or
really?
Maybe,
You'd relocate out of Germany?
Maybe. We don't know.
We're open to everything.
No limits, huh?
No limits. No.
That's great.
No.
Good. And so you'll be in the U.S. for 3 months, then possibly Mexico.
Oh,
yeah.
for sure.
We're gonna sell the van in Los Angeles, California, and then we got a flight booked from L.A. to Mexico City.
Okay. And after long-range plans, after Mexico, possibly South America, right?
South America,
Central America, South America. You do the whole thing.
Yeah.
And afterwards Australia.
Australia.
Yep.
Good.
We already got the visa for Australia. And
Good.
That's where we're gonna go next, or after South.
So you've been on the road here how long? You came the 2nd, August 2nd?
Yes.
And today is the September 1st.
So almost a month, but not on the road.
No, the first 2 weeks we stayed in Michigan.
Okay, so maybe August 14th you started to go on your own.
Yeah.
Okay, and how much have you spent on housing since then, or campgrounds? Zero. Zero. So you.
Only at the Niagara Falls.
The Niagara Falls.
Oh, for your birthday they had
it. For my birthday we booked a hotel room to have a good shower and a good bed.
Good.
Yeah.
So and so you do this by bumping into people, meeting people?
Like you.
Like me?
Offering us a home and a meal.
And also staying in free campsites, right? Exploring?
Like in Canada, Crown Land.
Crown Land, Crown Land is good. Okay, good. Well, I wish you well in your travels, and you have a travel blog too,
yes,
right?
We do, yeah.
So I'll put a link to your travel blog in the comments on my video, and you have an Instagram account. We'll put that in there also.
Oh, cool! Yeah, I mean it's in German, but still there's lots of music in it and pictures, so you get the vibe of how we travel.
For the Instagram account, you don't need.
You don't need language.
And I thought it was interesting. Before you came to the U.S., you were in Cuba,
Yes.
and in Cuba, I saw that video. It's very nice. You have lots of beautiful places. You stayed for $25 and $35 a night.
Yes, very
which
cheap.
is it's hard to find a campground for that here, but you had beautiful accommodations.
Yeah, it's called Casa Particulares in Cuba.
Casa Particulares?
You can also put some links on it if you want to.
Yeah, sure, for the video,
So local people offering accommodation and do.
It's like Airbnb for Cuba, huh?
And very cheap and very good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, great. I wish you well in your travels.
Thank
Keep
you.
in
Maybe
touch.
We'll travel again.
Yes, of course, yes. So for your trip, what did you bring for footwear?
Those shoes,
Yes.
a pair of flip-flops, and a pair of sandals.
And a pair of sneakers.
For you.
Yeah.
And that's it. No hiking boots, no nothing elaborate gear.
No.
Okay, and
Maybe we should have, but.
and for pants?
2 long pants and I think 2 shorts. And I have 2 dresses.
2 dresses. Okay. Leonard, same for you?
I got three long shorts. 1 jeans.
1 jeans. Okay.
And 2 different kinds.
Okay. How about shirts?
Ooh, maybe like 5 shirts.
5 shirts. Okay. And you, same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Long sleeve, short sleeve, mixed.
Just short sleeve.
Just short sleeve.
Short and like that.
Okay.
And then I think 2 like jackets.
Rain jackets.
each of us one rain jacket,
Yeah.
and then just like a jacket you can throw on when you're in
Okay.
the cold.
And that's going to make it through hats? Any hats?
Yeah.
Yep.
One cap for each.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And that's going to get you through 3 months in the U.S. touring.
Hopefully.
And may you accumulate other things on the way, right? So
Yep.
good. Okay, good, good. Gear do you have in the van for your trip?
Oh, we bought some camping spoons, knives, forks, dishes, plates,
Baking soda.
Baking soda for
yeah.
washing, yes.
Yeah.
And what about pan for cooking? What do you have?
We got a little propane stove.
Yes.
We have a pan
Frying pan
and
and a
a
pot.
little pot. And
That's it.
And then, well, that's what we bought. And now, throughout traveling, people we meet, they kind of give us something to our
They contribute to your cause, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're collecting, and then for camping gear, you have a mattress in the van, sheets and blankets, right? No sleeping bag.
No
No sleeping bag.
sheets.
Okay. Flashlights?
We have flashlights.
Okay.
We have one light you can
Crank?
crank for,
Yeah.
which is LED.
Yeah.
Kind of good. And a little flashlight.
All right, minimal gear. And photographic equipment?
Just my phone
Cell phone.
Yeah.
And a GoPro.
and the GoPro.
GoPro, okay.
GoPro Hero 5.
And computer equipment?
We got a laptop, one tablet.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, good. How about a tent?
We don't have a tent. No.
Okay, a tarp? You know, like a nylon cover, you know, you put up with poles?
No.
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
I don't like
Just
Okay.
the van.
Yeah,
We
just
don't
a
even
van.
have a table.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Well, we have a cooler.
The cooler's
We
your
have a
table.
cooler,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's how you keep your food in the cooler.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we bought little plastic bottles. But it's not so good, but we use them. We put them in the freezer.
Yeah.
And use them to cool our groceries.
Okay, then so that's your ice and your drinking water.
Exactly.
Okay, good, good. You have, you carry some canned goods for emergency, I assume, right?
Yes.
And how do you get your other food? You just go to supermarkets?
Yeah, go to supermarkets, and before we think about the meals for 3 to 6 days. So,
Yeah, okay, so
so
fresh
we don't
food.
have to buy something for
Yeah,
Hardly any meat and any dairy products.
yeah,
just for the first 1 or 2 days.
yeah. Okay, so yogurt, cereal, no?
So in the morning we start with oatmeal. We make an overnight oatmeal with almond milk and berries, nuts, and a little peanut butter.
Okay.
So we start. So we can prepare it in the evening and eat it the next.
And what's a typical dinner?
Oh, typical.
I don't know, whatever. What do you have for dinner?
we ate a lot of sandwiches,
A lot of sandwiches, okay. Yeah, okay.
and yeah,
Sometimes we cook. We had asparagus with tomato, onions, and potato cooked up.
Okay.
with some omelette.
Omelette.
Omelet, yeah. Good, good. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Bye.